54 Chevy pickup. Only problem is steering box does not fit, so you gotta put this. You gotta notch it in the door, in the frame, so that this rack and pinion steering actually fits through there. It's the only bad thing about that kit, but it's a beautiful kit though. So we'll get back to it in a little bit. Bye. Bye.
I love you.
All right. Here we now have the steering column for that 54 Chevy. Me and George Martinez are about to attempt to cut down the column to fit the truck to go back on this truck. So first of all, we're gonna disconnect all these gears here so that we can have as much of the sleeve left to play with, so that we can fit the end of these fittings here onto the rack and pinion steering. So we're probably only going to need about 9 inches of the rack and pinion rod. So here we go.
Oh yeah, that just rides over there.
So just pull it away. Oh, we're running?
Yeah.
Well, here we are to this point. We got both shafts separated, and that part is actually fused as part of the other. And then, like George says, all the bearings run around in a circle inside this box, the little housing, and it runs inside there. I guess running together so that the steering stays nice and stiff. We had to pull these gears out of the inside of it also to allow that to come out of there. But now I guess we're going to start doing our measurements, taking the measurements, see how much of the column we actually need. All right, we'll be back.